Hello, hi. Okay, my name is Gleb, spelled Gleb. It's very important for the European-speaking and English-speaking people. I'm the CEO of the Whitepay. I'm in crypto for the 8 years already, and so far I managed to work in the crypto funds, developing the projects, and build a few by my own. So, what is the Whitepay? We providing the crypto solutions for the merchants all around the world. Okay, I'm gonna talk louder. Providing the crypto solutions for the merchants all around the world. And we give them the 360 solutions for the e-commerce and the on-ground acquiring that I will show later. For the e-commerce business, we developed the online acquiring that works with every online shop application, and it can be integrated in less than 1 week. So the merchant can start accept crypto payments on their websites and their businesses is less than 1 week. Onboarding is very easy. And you can integrate it through API and accept crypto payments. We're part of the biggest European exchange, Whitebit, and that's allow us to bake initial value of all of the transactions that we receive with the fiat currency. That means that if the client pays in our crypto processing 100 euros to the merchants, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever currency it is, the merchant will always receive 100 euros regardless the volatility and the rate. Right now, we already integrated in 180 e-com platforms and merchants all around the world. We successfully work with, we start with the Ukrainian hryvnia about 2 years ago. And right now we present it in most of the European countries, got some merchants there, and develop their Turkish, Georgian, and Australian markets. Our POS machine that is part of the whole ecosystem allows the merchants that have online and offline business integrates into one end solution and have the offline acquiring in the same cabinet and accept cryptos online and offline without the volatility risk. Yeah, as you can see, the POS is represented right now in the Poland and Ukraine. And the people pay with the crypto. We got like about 18,000 transactions each week that we operate and proceed and withdrawal to the merchants. Platform and exchange. So as I talked before, we baking all of the transactions. And merchants on board to us with their bank accounts will withdraw money automatically or upon the request by merchants. All of that are converted from crypto to euro or to any local fiat currencies can be deposited to the merchant's bank account. We're licensed, we're using Whitebit's license in Lithuania, so you will receive money from the official bank transfer each week or 2 weeks, wherever you choose. During the beginning of the war in Ukraine, we launched the crypto donations program, and we allowed people to donate from all over the world to Ukraine. We start with small funds and volunteers, and then the president's office of the Vladimir Zelensky contacted us and wanted to use our solutions, so we integrated there in the official website. And during the whole war, we helped to raise for the U24 more than 40 million USDT, and for all the volunteers and the people that are in Ukraine and struggle for money, more than 150 millions. Oh no, this is not me. Yeah, that's how it works. Basically, the checkout process, it's the same for the donations and for the crypto payments. Users choose the currency they want to pay, the network they want to pay. The system generates one-time use wallet for each transaction. And comparing to our competitors, we accept the transactions from all of the crypto wallets, custodian, not custodian, wherever it is. Regardless of what you use, you can use other exchanges and pay with us, and it's still going to work. We definitely have the Whitepay as well. For some regions, we already support the card payments, so we can provide one-end solution to the merchants for the fiat payments and the crypto payments as well. So, yep, that's how it works. Thank you so much, guys.